there is no tomorrow. We could be in for the best ride. Want this to last for the rest of our lives. Without you there is no tomorrow.
What is he doing? Snowflake, what is he doing? Not gonna do it.
Watch you explode. That car is not gonna be good. That car, we can't, we're not gonna be able to beat.
Hi you guys, so welcome back to my channel. It is January 4th today. It is Friday. It's almost going to be 12. It's almost 12ish. I just want to come in here and say hi. I didn't vlog this week. I know I posted a video Monday for New Year's Eve. I didn't post a video for Wednesday. I did record a video though. It was supposed to be for Wednesday, but I wanted to come on here and say some stuff. But I don't know which video is gonna be up first. The vlog I'm recording now, or the video that I recorded. It's just going to be a bullet journal, like look through, I guess I could say, because when I was doing the bullet journal, I was just gonna sketch out like the things that I was going to do, and then I was gonna make a video of me actually like filling it in with color and all that with pen and marker. But I got too into the bullet journal and I started coloring it, so what the video is just going to be it's just going to be of me walking through and showing you guys how I did it, and hopefully next month I'm going to do the same thing, but I will do a walkthrough of actually me tracing over to my pencil and actually showing you guys like the process of like how I designed each page for the bullet journal. But yeah, I kind of took a break, short little break, because Vlogmas took a lot out of me. But I'm happy with my Vlogmas videos. But now I'm gonna start doing more videos for the new year. So I took a short little tiny break to rejuvenate my energy and all that. And then I have to figure out my schedule changed a little bit, but not my uploading schedule. It didn't change, but like my everyday schedule is going to change. So I have to reschedule and see when I have to film sit down videos, vlogs. I vlog wherever I go or whatever, but I have to make time to edit the vlogs and all that. So I'm thinking of new ways to do that so it makes it easier on me. But I will see you guys later on in the day or later on in the vlog. So I'll see you guys. Bye.
Let me be at peace so I can make this video. I am vlogging in public, so let me be at peace.
You don't feel like wasted time.
Oh, you know you're beautiful, you're beautiful, and it's like
Feel like wasted time. You don't talk like it's a lie. I might be falling for you. I hate to say it, but it's true. You don't scare so easily. You don't come with dirty beat. I think I'm falling for you. I hate to say.
Bowl of water is.
They were telling me that the fucking average they don't have no water.
But it's true. If you say what you want from me, if you say what you want from me, yeah, I give all that I can to please. I give all that I can to please. I like when
Now in winter time.
Well, you can. If you find water, go for it.
I'm gonna throw you in first so you could test the water.
One of the guys that I was talking to, he's a painter. He said that they have water nowhere.
Look up on top of that mountain right there on your side.
Yeah.
Going where this is going, like what you're doing. So let me be honest. Yeah, I want you always. Yeah, my heart's got a feeling. It's got a feeling like how it's
Long legs. The cream, the cream.
beating. So let me be honest. Yeah, I want you always. Yeah.
Water in the rio, in the lake.
Nope. No, there's not at all.
I've never seen it that dry.
Dang, you look all tiny in the front seat, woman.
Who?
Mom, she looks all short in the front seat. I barely see your head over the thing. Okay, let's see a different angle. Oh yeah, that's a good angle right there.
That's nice because that camera you can move it different ways though.
Yeah, except it gets heavy. It gets heavy after a while. This thing, and then I'm afraid to drop it because this is. Oh, okay, I found the perfect angle. I just gonna see some of Mom's top of her head, but oh, right there is a good angle.
What's that?
A guard shack? Just kidding.
Hard shack. A hard shack.
But I think it's because it snowed. It's a little too bright in some areas.
What?
Yeah. Yeah, but look, it's all dried up.
All these areas that's just where you will go swimming.
Yep, it's all dried up. You can't go swimming.
Oh, no canyon, you go swimming in the canyon.
Remember we came here for Easter one time with Grandma and
Yeah,
Grandpa?
then we went swimming there in those areas.
Yeah.
Here, you might do.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am vlogging today and there's going to be clips of some other days in this vlog, so I hope you guys enjoy this video so much. Today we are just exploring. We came to Abiquiu Lake real quick to come and see the lake. It's very low from the last time that we had came, and that was a long time ago. But anyways, that's all. We did some errands and we didn't feel like going home yet, so we came for a ride. We are headed to Guyana,
New Mexico.
New Mexico. But of course, I hope you guys liked my last vlog where it was just us riding around in the snow. I put the location at the bottom of each place that we went to, so that's what I'm gonna do in this video too. But yeah, we're just riding around today. We did errands. We went to go eat lunch at the Tesuke restaurant. It's a Tesuke. Why did I do that? Okay, repeat that sentence. Okay, so we went to eat a lunch at the Tesuke Casino. They built a new casino, so we went to go check it out and we ate lunch there. Yeah, and now we're just cruising around now because we didn't know what else to do today. So yeah, usually the weekends, Fridays are the days that we like riding around and going out and exploring New Mexico, even though we explored all these areas before, but it's better just to, my family, we like traveling, so like even just riding around in parts of northern New Mexico is fine for us. So yeah, I will see you guys later on in this vlog.
Where was it at?
That rancho.
Yeah.
Well, up here in Coyote, once you get past the church, then you start going into the dirt, into the sierra, and then there's that one big horseshoe real bad for it starts climbing up the hill, and then you go way into the mountain like that. That's just a little bit under white person than the other.
Should take me to go see it. Or we already passed it.
I love to say it, 'cause it's true.
Yeah, my cousin Ernie said the last time I talked to him that he's already tired of winter. The thing is, all his life he's had to deal with the winter up here now.
With this long month of snow, there's not much you can do. I only think they're logging right now. Because that time when I talked to him, he told me, he's already tired of not doing nothing. I mean, he's done a lot of stuff at home, but he's already tired of being at home. Oh yeah, I couldn't really go down on that other road. Comes all right here. Doesn't look too bad.
Oh, I bet in between it is.
If you say what you want from me, if you say what you want from me, yeah, I give all that I can to please. I give all that I can to please. If you say what you want from me, if you say what you want from me, yeah.
Is that my cousin Ernie?
Maybe I could try to find a stock motor or crate engine for the truck, maybe cheaper.
Yeah, but I could order an engine for eBay.
remember, don't forget to subscribe so you guys don't miss any more videos like this one. Also, comment down below so you could be featured in my next video. Like this video, share it with other people, and I will see you guys in my next vlog. And I hope you guys enjoyed the clips in this vlog, so I will see you guys.
Without you there is no tomorrow.